Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. They were testing this beautiful red Pavoni, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. See if we get a good shot of espresso. Let's test the steam. Very strong steam. And we also have worked in this machine for a long time for this customer, and historically we've had issues with the sight glass leaking over time. So what we did was we heated it up and we tested it and we let it sit over the weekend and it didn't leak. So hopefully it'll still be good. And this is the second time I'm testing it after that weekend test. And everything's looking good so far. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our videos and hit the bell. Thank you.